Greetings, folks. Hope you're all doing well. Since what I've been told to do is something that I have been doing for years now, I thought why not take this opportunity to discuss about the things that I've done to this bike. And for the purpose of this video, I need you to shut the fuck up, okay?
Badminton.
Oh fuck, Malayalani. Anyways, moving on. Number one, f***ing it home. Wait, that's inappropriate. Number one is the windshield. Now, why, you may ask? The very second day I got this bike, I took it to Container Road. Where is that, you ask? Watch my other videos. Which video is that? I don't know. Anyway, I took it through that road, and what I understood from that is that my helmet kept blasting off from my head like it's Team Rocket. So I just went ahead and got this, and an extension for the number plate so that it sits in place. So that's number one. Number two is this right here. Focus. Even though you're not focusing on this handlebar right now, you have much more focus than I have in my life. Yeah, there you go. This is basically a shuttle rackets grip. You can buy it from your local sports store, and yeah, feels good. That's all. The next thing I've done is this handle guard. This is the same one that I had in my Hornet 160R. I just repurposed to this big boy right here. And after that, I just went ahead and got this. The final mode I've done so far is this luggage rack. I mean, it's not just a luggage rack. Anyone sitting here would have their asses suspended here so that they won't fall off every time I go. And whatever this is just the
stock handle. My brain just shut down. Okay. Now, my brain. Fuck you.
Now this is just the stock handle grip, not handle grip, grab rail. Now this is the stock grab rail. Would you please shut the fuck up? Good. Now this is the stock grab. Fucks. Now this grab rail is the stock one, just flipped over and repurposed so that water doesn't go there, go inside. But unfortunately, when I just washed it, because this bike is actually a pussy magnet, I should jump now. Yeah, there was a little bit of water that seeped inside, but it's not as bad. It is not as bad as it used to be. So so far so good. Now that's all I've done to this currently. What else am I planning to do it? Simple. I'm just gonna make it faster. I'm just gonna make it go Mach 6.9, because that's a nice speed to go. Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.